Alrighty guys, here we go. So we got let me turn these lights on. So we got the Nissan Titan. This one's been getting a couple of things done here at D's. Let me check the year. It is gonna be 2003, I believe. Nissan Titan. So let me just explain to you guys a few things that we've already done to it. So we went and powered up the winch, which is this bad boy here. We got all that wired up. The customer installed it himself, but I'm pretty sure it's not too complicated to do. We switched out these fog lights to the LED ones. We added the LED pods at the bottom. A few weeks ago, we also wrapped all this. This was all chrome, and we wrapped it. And I believe this is the satin we used. We didn't do the emblem, but I think we're gonna have to do that today. Sticks out like a sore thumb, and we don't like that. The other thing we did was that front end, we wrapped it. We wrapped the mirrors. We wrapped the door handles. We tinted the tail lights. He's getting a new back bumper, so we didn't mess with that. We tinted the top light. Probably gonna black this out. I gotta talk to him, see what he says. And now we're gonna be installing this horn blaster. Just gotta see where we can mount everything. Get it all dialed in. Let's get to it.